Hey guys, so I'm back with these cute cat vinyl nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my nails with a light pink, 2 coats, and then I applied some liquid latex around my nail, and then with that same base polish and a darker, only slightly darker baby pink, I created a gradient on a sponge, 2 layers so I can get a nice coat, and then just gently dabbed it across my nail. And then I applied a second coat, just repeating what I'd already done. Then once I was happy with my gradient, I just peeled off my liquid latex and then cleaned around my cuticles with acetone and my brush from Twinkled T. And because we're using vinyls, I applied a glossy top coat and waited 20 minutes for that to dry and harden. So once that was hardened, I peeled off these vinyls from Twinkled T. They're so cute. They're the cat ones. They're made by a YouTuber, Simply Nowological. Well, she doesn't make them personally, but she created them. And then here I'm going in with Beg, Borrow and Steal from Colour Club. It's like a chrome halo hue. It's gorgeous. And then while that polish was still wet, I just peeled off the vinyl. And then I applied a top coat. So for my index and pinky finger, I'm just using this pink glitter polish from Fun Lacquer. I think it's called Dynamite. And then while that was drying, I just applied this liquid latex again around my nail. And then I just applied that glitter polish to a makeup sponge so that I could dab it on my nail for a full opacity glitter look. And once I was happy with the glitter, I just peeled off the liquid latex. And then applied another coat of that polish to my nail just to create a smooth layer, and finally 2 top coats, because with glitter you want to encapsulate it. And there you go, these cute cat vinyl, gradient, hollow glitter nails, a bit of everything. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!